Typhoon Vamco brings heavy rains, strong winds to Da Nang. Newly formed Typhoon Vamco, the third tropical storm to hit Vietnam this year, brought strong winds and heavy rain to the central city of Da Nang on Monday. Vamco originally took south from the southeast quarter of Hong Sa Paracel Islands early Sunday night and was classified as a tropical depression. It developed into the tropical storm early Monday morning. Although it had yet to make landfall in Da Nang, strong winds and rains had slammed into the city, uprooting trees and flooding billboards on many streets. A number of motorbikes and bicycle riders were also knocked down by strong winds. Heavy rains caused traffic congestion on some streets as parents flocked to schools to pick their children up. All students were allowed by their school to skip classes on Monday afternoon. Tens of flights from to Da Nang and other affected provinces in the Central Highlands on Monday was cancelled due to the storm.